Okay, children. Good morning, all of you. We will continue page 81, so 80 and 81. Okay, 78 and 80 we have learned yesterday. 71, 8 and 79. Sorry. Here, future tense. Okay, future continuous tense. Now here rewrite the following verbs given in brackets in the future continuous tense. Now you know the forms of that, है? So it will be raining in Shimla during winter. It will be snowing. So it's not raining. Page 80 and 81. It is all of you open. Page 80. Exercise C. Yeah. The birds will be migrating to warmer countries during severe winter. My aunt will be baking a dish for me this weekend. The school will be closing down for the winter vacation soon. Now in negative sentences, not is added before the first part of the verb. We write will or shall plus not be plus ing form of the verb. I shall not be going to the market. We shall not be packing our bags before evening. Now in interrogative sentences, will shall is put before the subject. Will they be going to the market? Will he be waiting for you at the station? Short forms may also be used. We can write will not as want and shall not as shan't. We write the following sentences in negative and interrogative forms. These children I have told you, see, because you don't have to copy all notes in another book. You have to write in this only. Amaj lecture, so your time will be saved. And exams are on top. Okay? See. The train will be moving very soon. Yeah, this is already written. We have to change this into negative. So what will you do? The train will not. Here we will put do not. Not be moving very soon. And now you have to change it into interrogative. You have to make it a question. So will come here. Will W capital. Will the T small. Train. Will the train be whatever till soon? And the question mark. Okay? Yeah. Then the teacher will be reaching the class on time after will add or not. He will be visiting, so he will not be visiting. All answers I have written here. And shall is used with I and we and mostly in question forms. When we use shall, we or shall I, we make a suggestion or ask for a suggestion. Shall we leave now? Shall I get your medicines? Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense expresses an action that will be over. The action will be over, finished at a given point in time in future. In future, when the action will be over. Okay, here. I will have finished this novel by evening. The bridge will have been repaired by next week. The grass will have grown by the end of this month. The form of future perfect tense. In positive statements, we write will have or shall have plus past participle form of the verb. The teacher will have checked the papers by next weekend. In negative sentences, not is added before the first part of the verb. We write shall, will plus not plus have plus past participle form of the verb. He will not have finished this novel by evening. In interrogative sentences, will, shall is added. Now this is page 81, children. Before the subject. Example. Will he have finished this novel by evening? Now rewrite the following sentences in negative and interrogative forms. Now children, this also I will write like this. Okay? Here also we will feel Sunanda will not have invited her friends by tomorrow. Will Sunanda, okay? And if it doesn't come here, I will put one paper. Then if I give you PDF in paper of grammar, you have to copy it in your English CW or question answer book. Okay, this whole exercise. Now future tense. I will sing, I will be singing, I will have sung. This is future, simple future, this is future continuous, and this is future perfect. You will sing, you will be singing, you will have sung. She will sing, she will be singing, she will have sung. We will sing, we will be singing, we will have sung. They will sing, they will be singing, they will have sung. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to denote a continuous action. So it is used with reference to some time in future. It will show you some time in future. Then you will complete the action. He will have been reading about the accident in the newspaper next morning. Now read the following sentences and identify the tense forms of the verbs printed in bold. So here I have written all the tenses. From here you have to see and write these tenses. Okay? Rita will help you. Future tense. We will be going on an adventure trip soon. Future continuous. The plants will have been watered this evening. Future perfect. I shall carry the packets for you. Simple future. She will win the elocution contest. Simple future. The actors will be rehearsing for the program soon. Okay? That will future continuous tense. The players will have played the match by 10 p.m. tonight. That will also be, it's given. Future tense, okay? Future perfect tense. Rewrite the following sentences negative and interrogative forms. This you will write as I have taught you, okay? Yeah, children, bye. Next in next video. Okay, children, now we'll continue. Page number 82, everybody open. Yeah. See. These I have filled for you. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of verbs given in brackets. Please refer to the tense forms mentioned in brackets. The first one has been done for you. Now these are very important, children. You will have to learn. For that all these tables are, these you have to learn. If you know this, you know all the answers, okay? See, he will help me to complete the project. Simple future. Then future continues. I will be packing the bag later. The children will be buying some cookies for their midnight feast. All answers I have written. So you will also write. And write in this only in small and clean handwriting. I am not making you make a separate book. Otherwise you have to write everything. So to save your time and you get time for learning. Okay? Yeah. Now read the following passage and pick out appropriate verbs in various tense form to complete the sentences. These also I have filled for you. So these already words will be given and you have to fill in the blanks. Then next, read the following passage. Fill in the blank with future tense forms of verbs given in brackets. The first one has been done for you. This also I have filled. These are all from your tables only. See, this is a future tense, then simple present tense, past tense, all the tables are given. From tables you have to find out the answers and then learn by heart all the tenses, okay? Here. See. Now rewrite the given sentences, sentences given below according to the tenses mentioned in brackets. The weather is pleasant today. Simple past tense. They have given the answer. First one. Second one, I have written here only. Children, we don't have time to copy in notebooks. Okay. Tom has heard that his ancestors left the country long back. Past perfect. The past way to. Tom had heard. Remaining all same. And when you write answers, half the answers are in question only, in sentence only. So don't make spelling mistakes. Then Barry recommends donuts for breakfast. Simple past. Barry recommended donuts for breakfast. Yeah. Now page number 83. The leaves will look bright green after the rain. John is reading. In place of is, you have to write here was. Just cut is little only and write here was. Remaining full sentence will be same. Same. Meena is reading, so Meena will be reading. Sumedha had bought a lot of plants and peat moss. Okay. The physics teacher is demonstrating, so it will become will be demonstrating. Future continuous tense. These tenses are given here. According to that, I have asked this in exam also. 10 marks question. The registrar is collecting the admission form. So is in place of is collecting, collected. My mother has involved in the social welfare project. Robin will be inspecting. So will have inspected, future perfect. Tom Sawyer had been mischievous boy, past perfect. The shipment will be dispatched, future perfect. Sagar will be visiting the whole grain one. Then you can read yourselves now, you are big children, okay? Future continues. The toys have been packed for the children, present perfect. Right? This also I filled for you children, so you will fill yourself. This also according to the tenses mentioned, according to the tenses you have to find from your tables. Tables are given. So this all I will send you a PDF. And remember children, your exams are starting very soon. You have got the timetables and I will guide you for the exam. See, you have been writing exams since a long time. Everybody knows how to write the paper, yeah? Textbook, you will write direct answers, no need of questions. Alright? But grammar part, students see, grammar. In grammar part, you will not write direct answers. You have to write the full sentences. Do you understand? Full sentences you have to write. Akha sentence lakhwana. Don't write direct answers. Otherwise you will not get marks. If they copy me, if you fill in the blank is there, full write one time only and fill it. Don't write twice. Bevar nahi lakhwana. You have been writing papers since 5th standard, 5th, 6th, now 7th, right? So you know how to write. Correct? Then what else? And handwriting has to be very clean. Second thing, marking perfect. And this question numbers perfect. For example, it is question 1A. So you have to write question 1A. Then heading you write, answer the following questions. Then answer 1. After answer 1, leave 2 lines. Answer 2. Finish, leave 2 lines. This is the way to write a paper. So don't make it muddled up. Neat and clean paper I will want. Any confusion? You can ask me. I will guide you. I am in school from 10:30 to 12 every day. So anyone can come, meet me, I will guide you. Jene bhi problem hoy to. You will not have problems because we have been writing papers. Like 6th standard or like 5th only. 5th ma bhi lagta tha ne? Like that you have to write. Alright? Properly, perfect work karjo. Headings is a must. Heading lakhwanu same like paper. Question 1A, answer the following questions. Then you have to write. Question 1A, answer the following questions. Then you write direct answer. Answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. How many are there? Leave 2 lines. Question 1B, again write whatever heading is there. Then copy. Okay? So all the best for your exams children. Our portion is completed today. चलो बाय।